But I swear, if Chris Motionless doesn't propose to me by the end of this video, I'm going to wank myself with a chainsaw. Hello boobs! Welcome back to the channel!
If you clicked on the video, you know the tea, you know what I'm about to do. Panties are dropping, nipples are flying.
Today we're doing a transformation and we are transforming into the ultimate transformation queen herself, Emily Boo.
So on my YouTube channel, I love to do transformation videos, ding ding, and I find it so much fun to just see how much makeup and clothes can change the way you look and also the way you feel.
Emily Boo is a goth and alternative YouTuber.
Looking a bit strange and a bit kooky makes me feel complete.
Who is best known for her transformations and her amazing personality. So I'm going to show you how I got to this from this. The time has come. I've been wanting to do this transformation literally for months. So we are starting at the very beginning. This is pretty much as busted as it can get, almost. I'm sure it can get worse. So the first thing we're going to do to turn into Emily Boo is cover my body in tattoos. In the transformations I've done before, I did not worry about tattoos or piercings, but in Emily's case, I just feel like they're so much a part of her style and who she is that I was gonna get just like those little kid stick-on tattoos. Supposedly they had some of those at Michael's, so I went to go look for them and I couldn't find any, but then I came across stamps. They just so happened to have one box of Halloween stamps and I was like, this is what I need. So I got some Halloween stamps, I got some nature stamps, and that's what I'm gonna use to add tattoos to myself. So I'm definitely not gonna try to replicate her exact tattoos. By the way, her moldy seahorse pincushion tattoo is the cutest thing ever.
So today I'm going to chat to you about my seahorsey pincushion. He's got quite a little story behind him.
But just the aesthetic of having as many tattoos as she does, that's what I'm going for. That's what I'm trying to replicate here. So let's get to going. Wow, okay, so that took almost an hour. That took 40 minutes just to try to cover my legs. Oh, I also added something to my face because she does have one face tattoo. I think two face tattoos. I did put some on my hands and now all that's left really is some on my neck. I did get this larger tattoo, this larger stamp because I think she has like a butterfly or she has something that covers her like chest and neck. So I think this will, you know, sort of give the same type of vibe. Okay, I think that's it. It's almost 45 minutes just for the fake tattoos alone. So now let's move on to the next step, which is going to be clothes. So when I do these transformations, I don't just pick one photo or one video of the person. I watch a ton of videos and then just try to get a general concept of their aesthetic. And one of the things that I see her wear often is a spirit board shirt, especially one that has designs on the sleeves. So I found one on Amazon and I got it like I think last week. So I'm gonna put this on, and since I don't really have any short skirts, all my skirts are fairly long, and I feel like when I see her wear a skirt or a dress, they typically tend to be on the shorter side, like above the knee, and I don't have any right now, but I do have a dress that I think will do the job if I can fit in it, and that's a big if because I haven't even tried to wear this in like 2 years, and at that point I barely fit in it and I've gained weight. Yeah, let's see if I fit in this thing. This will do. Oh yeah, I think that's long enough. We're gonna keep that. Oh look how much this is bled already. That's crazy. Okay, and my 1-1 real tattoo I'm not gonna be showing because because I'm wearing long sleeve. Oh, okay, I got the shirt on. How much closer am I to becoming Emily Boo?
This is a wig. I shaved my head.
I've got a long way to go. Let's start on the makeup. So first what I'm gonna do is just the basic makeup stuff, like put on foundation. Okay, so the foundation's on. I'm going to do eyes. I feel like that's always the next thing, or the first thing I like to do when doing makeup usually. In this one, she is purple. Like her eyeshadow is just all purple, and she's got this like winged eyeliner that goes both up and down, and she's got a lot of other interesting stuff going on. I'm gonna take that lighter purple and put it all under my eyes. They're just going all out here with this purple, and then she definitely has like black over that. And I don't necessarily see this in her look, but there is also a sparkly purple, and you know I can't help it. I gotta have some glitter. Gotta have some glitter! And if you're wondering, basically all of my makeup comes from Walgreens or the drugstore. I rarely get fancy makeup. Pretty much every palette I've ever bought has been from a YouTuber. I don't really buy anything else outside of drugstores, honestly. And the wings look pretty thick, so I'm trying to make them on the thicker side. Okay, after watching her video again, I think mine was a bit exaggerated, but I think I'm gonna leave it for the most part. Maybe just change the ends because it's bad. Oh, I actually really like this. What do you think? It's coming together. It's coming together. There's another thing that she's been doing lately that I really love, which is to put purple highlighter on her cheeks and her nose, but then she also does these X's. So I'm going to try that. Now moving on to eyebrows, cheeks, highlighter, and lips. I don't know what is wrong with my eyebrows today, but I'm like just struggling to get this today. Okay, and now she puts kind of like a green in the middle. I'm just gonna put the brightest green that I have. She kind of leaves the front open of the brow and then like outlines the top with black. Oh my gosh. Oh, I almost gave myself a unibrow. But I think that it's, you know, the same concept, just almost a unibrow form. So I think we're just gonna move on because this is the best. My eyebrows are giving me so much trouble today. But I also have an incredibly small forehead, so I don't have a lot of space to work with, you know? So it is what it is. All right, so now let's move on to the highlight that she does. And I feel like I love this highlight. I don't know what she's using. It honestly just looks like not a glittery, but a shimmery purple. And I don't know if I have a shimmery purple in any of my palettes, but I will look. Nope, not in this one. Maybe. So I do have another palette that shall not be named. And there's kind of a light purple, and then there's like a very light shimmer. So if I combine those, maybe it'll have the same effect. So that's what I'm gonna try right now. So she kind of puts that right in the center of her cheek. So that's where I'm going to put it. And I'm using this like rounder brush so that I could, cause she really puts it in like a circle. Yeah, this actually, I think this is gonna be pretty close. Oh yeah, that's pretty close. So now to put the shimmery color on top to make it shimmer. Oh yeah, that worked great. That worked great. I feel like such an artist. I feel like an artist. Shimmery purple, yes it is. So now I have to do the same thing for my nose. Cute. She just puts it right on the kind of tip of her nose. Perfect. Absolutely what I was going for. I'm very happy with it. She has like these X's that she puts over and then a few dots. Okay. Yeah, so we're almost done here. We're almost done with the makeup part finally. Now for lips, I am gonna go back to the other look and I'm gonna do the black and green in the middle because I've really been liking that lately. Now I don't have any green lipstick, but I do have a green eyeshadow that I think will complement that look very well. I'm not gonna like jack her style or anything, but this is really fun and I like it. Even with my botched brows, I like it. Lips, lips, lips. That's cute actually. I would just wear that. I mean, I know that's not totally unusual. That's kind of like when you're trying to look like a doll, but I like this. I think I would do that in another video and I would use this exact color, just my natural lips with the green. I actually really like that. See, that's why these transformation videos are fun, because you end up finding things that you like. It's not like you're gonna start dressing like that person every single day. Everyone has their own style, but there are things that you might find in the process of doing the transformations that you like and that you would do again, and this is one of them. I'm definitely doing this again. Oh yes, I love that. Yeah, I really love the way this came together. So next, accessories, shoes, and then I'll do hair and nails, and then that will be it. That'll be the transformation. So I feel like she wears a lot of chokers, so I'm going to put that on. I got these rings to try to put a fake nose ring on. I know it's probably gonna look bad, but I feel like I can't. I feel like I have to at least try. So there is something there. Okay, let's just not. We're just not going to with that. But what we are gonna do before I put on the last two most important pieces, lashes. Hello, lashes. So I'm going to be using some of the lashes by Goth, and today we are going to use, I'm gonna say Siren. I feel like Emily Boo's giving off some Siren energy. So we're gonna go with Siren lashes. There you go. Now, truly, it's time for the last final two things. So, oh my gosh, I am a mess. So this is the final transformation. I did it! I had to stop for 2 hours because, or I don't know how long, because my camera freaking died. But I'm here and I'm looking a little more busted because everything is bleeding off and melting off and falling off. But this is pretty much the final look and the final form, and it was a lot of fun. So I'm surprised how long it took me to put all of the tattoos on my leg, but I do think it did make a difference to the whole look aesthetically. Going to try to get some full body shots, but this room and house in general is just kind of a mess right now, so I'm a little embarrassed, but maybe I will just suck it up and do a full body with like a mess behind me, because it is 1 AM now and I kind of just want to go to sleep. But I definitely wanted to finish this first. I can't see a thing. My lashes actually are getting in the way. I do love these lashes, they're super long. I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else to say. And until next time, take care of yourselves because it is the absolute most important thing, and I will see you in the next video. If Chris Motionless doesn't propose to me by the end of this video, I'm going to wank myself with a chainsaw. I can't say that. I apologize for my horrible British accent. Okay, but you know, we had to bring up Chris Motionless. It's tradition.